From the pit to the lab, mining innovation is rewriting the rules. New ways of hauling ore, breakthroughs in robotics, AI that transforms data, and even waste piles turning into resources. The future is being mined today. Welcome back to Mining Monday, where we explore the cutting edge of mining innovation from around the world. I'm your host, Roland Plett, and in the next few minutes, we'll cover breakthroughs in AI, robotics, sustainable practices, and even how operator behavior shapes shovel efficiency. Let's dig in. First up, a breakthrough in data mining, literally. Researchers have developed something called IoT Miner, and the results were published just a few weeks ago. Think of it as a translator for your machines. Load trucks, haul trucks, and dump trucks, shovels and drills, they all generate mountains of raw sensor data. But it's usually messy, unstructured, and hard to use. IoT Miner takes that low-level sensor chatter and transforms it into structured event logs. Clear records of when a task started, stopped, or changed. It does this by combining data science techniques like unsupervised clustering with the power of large language models like ChatGPT. And here's the magic. You don't need to rebuild your systems from scratch. Even if your mine wasn't designed for process monitoring, IoT Miner can retroactively recover workflows and insights. That means better productivity analysis, safer operations, and smarter decision-making from the ground up. Next, India is showing us how circular mining can look in practice. The Rajasthan State Mining Authority is partnering with two major institutes to reanalyze mining debris piles. Why? Because those old waste dumps contain valuable minerals like quartz, feldspar, and mica. These have recently been reclassified as major minerals in India's strategy for critical resources. By applying AI to the debris analysis, the team hopes to recover high-value materials from what was once considered waste. It's an elegant solution, less environmental footprint, more resource security, and a blueprint for turning yesterday's tailings into tomorrow's feedstocks. Now, let's head north to Canada. Burgundy Diamonds has just laid out its life of mine plan for their Fox project in the Northwest Territories. And it features Railveyor as the preferred haulage system. So what's Railveyor? Imagine a hybrid between light rail and a conveyor belt. It's electrically powered, often remote controlled, and it snakes through the tunnels carrying ore with lower emissions and higher energy efficiency than trucks. Choosing Railveyor signals a real shift in mine design, where electric haulage isn't an afterthought, it's a core part of the plan. As more mines bake in the Railveyor and similar systems from the beginning, the industry moves one step closer to lower carbon and more efficient production. Also from Canada, let's go deep underground. A new research paper lays out a multi-robot mining system designed for GPS-denied, hard-to-reach places. The concept divides the work among 4 robot types: the explorer, the deployer, the supplier, and the stinger. Together, they scout, position, deliver supplies, and drill autonomously in tight headings where humans or large equipment just can't go. This is more than just robotics. It's a modular fleet that could open up mine scenarios like brownfield re-entry or narrow vein deposits and legacy workings once thought inaccessible. Think of it as a dawn of autonomous task forces for underground mining. And finally, let's talk about the human factor. A new open access study analyzed telemetry from hydraulic shovels. It measured how different operators influence energy efficiency. The results? Operator behavior can make a big difference in shovel energy use. Some patterns of operations save fuel and extend machine life, while others add up to wasted energy and higher costs. The takeaway is clear. Training programs and autonomy-assisted technologies can use the telemetry data to standardize best practices. The goal isn't to replace operators, but to empower them with data-backed insights that make every pass more efficient. So, there you have it. AI turning sensor data into actionable insights, waste piles becoming tomorrow's resources, electric rail haulage shaping mine plans, robot fleets reimagining underground access, and telemetry proving just how important the operator still remains in the mine. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting how companies like Charter, the one that I work for, fit into these stories. From powering AI-driven data systems to enabling reliable connectivity for autonomous equipment, to supporting the digital infrastructure behind processing and monitoring and safety tech. Charter helps make many of these mining innovations possible. Mining is transforming faster than ever, and we'll keep bringing you the stories at the front edge. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. That is if you want more innovation straight from the pit to your feed. See you next Monday. Take care.